traveling. Glad to have you here. On this channel, I take you along on the real side of life on the road, truck stops, rest areas, and small towns across the US and Canada. I don't sugarcoat it, you see it exactly as it is, whether the showers are sparkling clean or barely passable, whether the parking lot has room for you, or you're circling at midnight hoping for a spot. I started this channel because so many places look one way on paper, but when you actually pull in with the rig, it's a whole different story. And if you're a truck driver, or even just someone who loves road travel, you know how important the little details are, things like easy in and out access, how busy it gets at night, or where you can grab a decent bite, without losing an hour of your day. Every week I post walking tours of truck stops, rest areas, and sometimes even small towns right off the highway. You'll see parking setups, fueling lanes, shower conditions, food options, and I'll always give you the honest take, what works, what doesn't, and what to watch out for. So if you want real, unfiltered looks at the road life, you're in the right place. Hit that like button if you've ever struggled to find a spot, subscribe so you don't miss the next stop, and share with another driver who could use these reviews. Now let's get rolling and check out today's stop. Today we're in Brookville, Pennsylvania, checking out the Love's Travel stop. This one's right off I-80, and has a little bit of everything, truck parking, RV hookups, and even EV chargers. Let's take a closer look at what makes this stop stand out. Parking here is paved and fairly spacious. You'll find a decent number of spots, though like most Loves, it can fill up late at night. Arriving earlier in the evening is your best bet to grab a safe spot. The layout makes it easy to maneuver, even with longer trailers. Getting in and out is easy with wide access off I-80. Lanes are big enough for heavy traffic, but like anywhere, be patient during peak hours. Watch for RVs and EVs pulling into different lanes, it can create extra blind spots. Overall, still a smooth flow compared to tighter stops. Fuel lanes are wide, with DEF at the pump for easy top-offs. Traffic can back up during peak hours, but overall it's efficient. Plenty of room to pull in and out without tight turns. Good flow for trucks fueling and rolling back onto the interstate. Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts, and if you're enjoying this stroll, don't forget to hit like so I know you want more tours like this. One thing that makes this stop unique, RV hookups. You'll see a separate section where RVers can park and hook into power. That also means more mixed traffic, so watch for smaller vehicles moving around. Still, it's nice to see Love's catering to more than just trucks. Yep, they've even added EV chargers here. Not something every driver cares about, but it shows where travel centers are headed. These chargers bring in more four-wheelers, so expect a little more congestion around the lot. For now, it's still a rare sight at truck stops. Inside you've got all the usual snacks, hot food, and drinks. Coffee's fresh, and there are grab-and-go meals if you're in a rush. Some fast food options are attached, making it easy to sit down for a quick meal. It's built to cover both truckers and families on the road. Showers here are clean and modern, just what you'd expect from a newer Love's. Wait times are usually short, depending on time of day. Restrooms are well kept and convenient for quick stops. Definitely a reliable spot to freshen up. Laundry machines are available here, which is great if you're resetting for the week. There's also a driver's lounge, where you can relax or catch up on paperwork. Wi-Fi is steady enough for streaming or checking maps. It's the kind of place you could reset for a few hours without stress. So that's the Love's travel stop in Brookville, Pennsylvania. A solid mix of parking, showers, fuel, RV hookups, and even EV chargers. Hit like if you've stopped here before. Drop a comment with your favorite Pennsylvania truck stop. And don't forget to subscribe for more tours every Sunday. Thanks for rolling with All NC Traveling. Stay safe, and keep the wheels turning.